सिमरिए मिट जाए सभी कलेश, विघ्न विनाशन विघ्न हरत गणपति श्री गणेश। भगवती संग पूजिए श्री ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। गुरुदासों का दास हूँ, मोरे अंग संग रहो हमेश। सरस्वती स्वर दीजिए और स्वर के साथ ज्ञान, मैं बेसुर बेताल हूँ, मैया आप करो कल्याण। मैया जी मोरी आप करो कल्याण। Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine once again. And in this video, in this live streaming of mine, I'm going to talk about the Nasdaq, the S&P 500. Yes, I'm going to talk about the US Tech 100, gold, silver, Bitcoin, crude. Yes, I'm going to predict how all these instruments, the commodities, the index would behave today. Today, the 9th of September, 2025. But before I start predicting about all these commodities and the Bitcoin and the Nasdaq, the indices, I want to tell you all something about you. I want to tell you all that you have greatness within you. You have something special. You have greatness within you. So never underestimate yourself. You are a masterpiece because you are the piece of the master God. And when you are the piece of the master God, like God is a creator, you are a co-creator as well. So you can also create things in this world. You can create anything in this world. And for that, you will need to instill that thought in your mind. You need to think those thoughts in your mind. You know, whatever you think, you will become. It is as simple as that. See, people don't know the formula for success. If you want $1 billion, suppose, so you need to have those $1 billion thoughts. If you want $1 billion, you say, I need $1 billion, and you have those poor thoughts, those negative thoughts, then how will you manifest that $1 billion? So that $1 billion should be there in your mind that you have to make $1 billion, and make sure there are no hurdles, barriers and obstacles in front of that $1 billion. Make sure that there are no hurdles, barriers and obstacles in front of that thought. That thought which you think you will make $1 billion. So never create that. So you need to stay focused on that $1 billion. And if you keep your focus, and if it is an unwavering thought, if you keep that focus, if you keep that thought in your mind that I have to make $1 billion, then no one in this world can stop you. You know, I'll give you an example. You know, whatever we see in this world today, this computer, this mobile phone, this airplane, this car, this, anything you see in this world, which has been made by man, was part of the man's mind. Then it became a reality. First it was in somebody's mind, and then it became a reality. It didn't become a reality just like that. It was part of somebody's mind, somebody's thought, and then it became a reality. So if you also want to become a billionaire, have those billionaire thoughts in your mind and keep it unwavering. Don't let anything stop you from thinking those positive $1 billion thoughts, And one day you will become a billionaire in the stock market, just like Mr. Warren Buffett and many others. So, let me now start predicting about the... First, let me start with S&P 500. If you get a dip towards 6462, buy there. S&P 500 can fall to a level of 6462 today, and you must buy there, because I believe it will bounce back from there. 6462. Now let me predict about the Nasdaq 100 futures. Nasdaq 100 futures. You can buy Nasdaq 100 futures at a level of 23,653 today. There is a strong possibility of the Nasdaq 100 futures falling to a level of 23,653. Now talking about US Tech 100. Now let me predict about US Tech 100. You can buy US Tech 100 at a level of 23,535. Yes, 585. You can buy US Tech 100 at a level of 23,585. See, the reason why I'm telling you all to buy is because I feel the American markets are not yet due for a correction. Yes, they aren't due for a correction. So, it is always better to stay on the long side. You need to buy the dips and stay in the market instead of selling or shorting the market. I'm not telling you all to short the market at any point in time, at this point in time. Yes, my thing is simple. My thoughts, my philosophies think very simple about this market. That the markets are still going to go up, and I'll make a video in which I will tell you all from which level can Nasdaq 100, US Tech 100 and S&P 500 can fall. So now next, talking about the gold. See, gold has touched a high of 3674 and it is currently trading at 3640 right now. I believe that if you get a level of 3622 today, 3622 today, you can buy gold. You can buy gold at a level of 3622, and silver you can buy it at a level of $40.53. So I'm not telling you all to short the market, because don't think that I'm telling you all to short the market because I believe the markets are gonna go down. No. The thing is that if you get these levels today, it is at these levels you have to buy. Instead of shorting and selling, you need to buy. So for the American markets I've spoken. Now let me talk about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as usual, has been trading between 1,110,000 and 113,000. 110,000 and 113,000. So if it comes down to a level of 110,200, you should buy there for the next 2 to 3 days. For the next 2 to 3 days, $110,200. So right now it is not in a buying zone today. I think if it falls, currently BTC USD is trading at $111,740. So if it comes down to a level of $10,200, then you can buy there. So that is my prediction regarding BTC. Crude, I believe crude can fall. See, I am bullish on crude today. So any dip towards 62, 80 should be bought. Should be bought into, and from there, those levels, I think the crude oil WTI will rise. I'm talking about the crude oil WTI. So I have predicted about, see, basically what I'm trying to tell you all is that I'm bullish on the markets, on all these markets. So it wouldn't be prudent, it wouldn't be wise for y'all to short these markets, these commodities, this instrument, this Bitcoin. No, it wouldn't be wise for y'all. So if you get a dip towards the levels which I have just spoken about, you should buy there today, 9th of September 2025. You need to remember that these predictions of mine are astrological and numerological predictions. So always take the help of your financial advisor before you take a trade. Don't take a trade based on my astrological and numerological prediction, because there is a possibility of me also going wrong. So that caveat here I want to share with y'all. That criteria, that caveat, that warning I want to give y'all, because I'm not God. Yes, I'm not God. So this is what I wanted to tell y'all. Now let me. So I have already spoken about crude and Bitcoin, gold and silver. So any dip towards my levels, you should buy there. So now let me take some questions from y'all. Please keep your questions in English. This is an English program, so please do not ask me any questions in Hindi or any other language, please. Thank you. Silver will come down today. It has already come down. Today's high was $48, $41.48. It has already fallen 50 cents. Ashish Soniji, it has already fallen 50 cents. Will gold fall to 3571? Possible. Dinesh Vyasji, 3571 possible this weekend. This weekend it's possible, 3571. It's absolutely possible. Manju Kumar ji, Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di. Aradhya Group ji. Guruji, natural gas view up or down? Okay? Up or down? Natural gas. Natural gas, I am bullish on natural gas. I am absolutely bullish on natural gas. So any dip towards $3.08, you should buy there. Aradhya Group, you should buy it at $3.08. So I am bullish on natural gas. Amit Hinduja, Jai Shri Krishna. Can silver fall 4,000, 5,000 rupees today or tomorrow? Take care, Guruji. Welcome, but I'm not talking about MCX at this point in time, Amit ji. So I haven't seen it until now. So my charts are only for in dollar terms. So if you want to tell you about dollar terms, then you can definitely ask me that question. Rakesh ji, hi, how are you doing? Blend Universe. When we can see Pep coin reaching $1? Okay. Is this a cryptocurrency? Okay, just let me see. This is an interesting question. Oh. Let me just check. Please stay with me. Probably after 17 months, it can cross 50 cents. Pepe coin, Rakesh Gargji, after 50 cents. Prakash Kothari, silver now $40.80. 96 cents. $40.96, Prakash Kothari ji. Buy or wait. You need to wait. Not now. Not now, Prakash Kothari ji. Please do not do that. Today is a negative day for silver. Today is a negative day for silver. So be very careful. You need to buy this dip. Don't buy before the dip. I've already given you the level. Buy there. Well, there is only one like. Exactly, Blend Universe. I like the video, but my only like is visible. Please like and subscribe. Definitely. Thank you. Thank you for marketing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Blend Universe. I appreciate. I'm not talking about Nifty right now. I'm talking about the American markets. Manju Kumarji, this is just for the American markets, gold, silver and Bitcoin and crude. So please keep your questions limited to those indices and the instruments. Amit, okay. Can we invest now or wait? No, you cannot invest now, Rakesh Gargi, on Pepe coin. You should wait. Can silver correct up to $39, $38 today or tomorrow? No, not possible, Amit Hindujaji. Not possible. It's not going to fall below. I'm talking about Indian Standard Time until 12 o'clock tonight. It's not going to fall below $40.53. It's not going to fall below that. $40.53, Amit Hinduja ji. So that is my prediction regarding the silver for today. So I think I've answered all your questions. I've predicted about all the S&P 500, all the other indices and the commodities. So here I'd like to end my video. Have a good night. Take care. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.